Well, hello, YouTube, and all my subscribers, all 95 of you. I hope you're doing good today. This is Thursday, just barely left over, a little bit of it. Uh, Hoping you're having a good one. Was checking out YouTube and surfing the internet, and yeah, all the different things therefore or thereof. And I don't know. I am definitely ready to get moving to the Philippines. It seems like a lot of places over here are getting just way too toxic. I'm William Williams, Philippines. It's June 13th at about 11 o'clock coming up. Yeah, I don't know what's happening with this country, but it sure seems like a lot of people got a lot of hate and just want to attack everybody with it. And if you don't see it their way, you're the terrorist or you're the nutcase. Well, yeah, that's what our government is calling us now. Nutcases, and yeah. I'm sorry if you. It's not my fault if you've got a problem with facing reality. Not my job to fix your problems. I try to take care of me and just barely get me took care of. So why would I want to take on anybody else? Hang on a second. Yeah. Yeah, my monitor back there is really. Oh no, it's not my monitor. It's actually this one. Huh. Okay. I don't know. I thought I was catching reflections from the other monitor. It's this one. Anyway, sorry about the earthquake. Yeah. Hey. But anyway, yeah, a lot of folks are getting very toxic. I just want to take and get over and find me a good little place to go fishing and a place I could throw some seeds in the ground. I like gardening. Saw a video of folks over there growing their own food, and I like that idea. I probably said here before, putting seeds in the ground is like, they say there's no such thing as a money tree, but there are plants that put out food, and I can guarantee you, food is money. That's why farmers never had a problem. They always had food, and they were rich because they could feed everybody. Yeah, we've forgotten how to do things like that, and now we've got way too many people living off of too few farmers over here. It just is not good to have, you know, like 1% of your people producing the food for 100%. I know that number's actually really, it's not even a percent anymore. Uh, Nowadays it's big ag and, industrial farms spraying poisons everywhere and killing the ground with fertilizer. Yeah, you can grow plants in chemicals. I ain't gonna say it's a good thing to do. It's not. Uh, it's one of the things that I'm trying to take apart is an aquaponics setup I have out in the backyard and get it taken apart and sent over to the parts of it sent over to the junk pile it is what it is. Yeah. Don't have my teeth in today. The dentist said leave them out because I rubbed raw and was making a bloody mess up there. So she said give it a couple days to heal. Okay. So, haven't had my teeth in the last 36 hours. I'm going to try to... Oh, I know I want to have them in my, my teeth in there for going to my boss's son's engagement party. So Saturday, I know I'm going to have them in there. I don't think I'm going to try them until then. But it is what it is. And yeah, she did a couple of adjustments. Can't tell for sure if it did really any good because it was all... Yeah, apparently I'm not going to be able to eat with them for a while until they get these things adjusted and my mouth gets used to them. And I barely had them, 9 days now? Yeah. It is what it is, though. It's getting better. Anyway, yeah, too few people doing all the farming. And most of the people that are actually doing it aren't actual farmers. They're big ag. And that's not good. And, they're talking about, some of the beef plants, and such having issues. And the food production places, this, that, and the other all come down with some sort of bug one way or another and creates problems. And yeah, it just is what it is. Which is a mess right now if you ask me. It's one of the reasons I want to sell my house, move to the Philippines, and go fishing. Find a little spot where I can lease some land and put some seeds in the ground. Something with a decent view. Up the side of a mountain somewhere, I don't know. On a beach. Quite honestly, a grass hut on top of a mountain sounds pretty good. The headaches. I don't know why it's got this way. Other than the fact that we let the government take and divide us into all these different pieces and have us fighting each other. And people wonder why I don't like government. Could there be a reason? Anyway, it is what it is. And yeah, back to growing food. I haven't seen... I've seen some of y'all's squash in the Philippines. And it is a type of squash where we grow here even. It's just it's not that popular here. But one of the more popular ones is like yellow squash. I haven't seen any of that over there. We also like zucchini. I think I saw one farmer's market somewhere that had some zucchini in it. They were walking around. At least I thought it was zucchini. It might have been eggplant. Didn't get to look at it that close. The camera was off to the side, and yeah, wasn't direct line, but it was in the side edge of it, and I thought it was zucchini. So I don't know, but yes, squash, pumpkin, whatever you want to call it over there. I'm definitely ready to get over there and start trying some food. I've never been afraid to sit down and eat food. And I've had Filipino local food before and enjoyed it. I've had a few different types of food and enjoyed it. There was something that I ate when I was in Japan. I'm not sure what it was. They said it was duck. But I've eaten a lot of duck, and I never saw that kind of a cut. But I'm not going to argue with them. They said it was duck. It is what it is. Anyway, Got to try and get a couple more things done this morning. Or, well, my evening and that today and my evening. And then, yeah. Never seemed like there's enough energy to go around to cover all this stuff. I really think that we should start putting battery cables, attach them to little kids, and start running things off of them, because they definitely got way too much energy. Yeah. I wish I could lay down for 5 minutes and wake up with 5 hours or 10 hours worth of energy. It don't work that way. I'm jealous of kids. They got all the energy in the world and they don't know what to do with it, and so they just run around screaming, "Ah!" Yeah. Old folks know what to do with it, but we don't have any of it. Yeah. And then there's, the middle where you're burning too much of it to just survive nowadays. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. I'll get back here in a little while and put out one for Friday. I hope y'all have a good day. Those of you who are already starting your weekend, blessings and have an enjoyable weekend. I'm doing the end of mine, so yay. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.